one is the part 2 of the previous video on how to build your own AI. Yeah. So that may you no lost. So more look into the training process or template or whatever. Number 1, you go feed the token into the model. Number 2, the product go predict the next token. You see am? Then it go compare am with the current answer. It go calculate the loss or error. More put am like that. It go also adjust parameters using back propagation. Then it go repeat am millions of times. You see, say no really hard. That's how it is being trained. Now the entire training process be that. So before you know, slowly, model go begin to dey understand grammar, meaning, structure, and then reasoning pattern. So you see, say no be miracle. Now just optimization mathematics, period. And you need to know this, real LLM training needs GPU power, strong one. It needs time, it needs electricity, it needs money. Now why big companies, they dominate pass be that. But small models still dey very possible. Because you go fit train like character level model, yes. You fit train tiny GPT. You fit even train domain specific chatbots. You see am? Even on single GPU or even on collab. After the entire training finish, the model don't become probability machine. So to generate text, give prompt. Model go predict the next token probability. You dey see am? It go choose one token. It go add am to sentence. Then it repeats forever. You know, pass like that. So you see, say that loop, so that entire loop, na text generation be that. More talk about sampling methods. How you choose next token matter. They with me first, make you observe. You fit use greedy, safest, and it's also very boring. Then temperature, this one controls creativity. Top K or top P, this one a balance sense and surprise also. Now because of this one, ChatGPT fit be serious tutor or even funny comedian, even deep philosopher. You dey see am? So it's depending on the sampling. So the day you load data set, then train small model transformer. So the day you load data set, then train small transformer, generate first sentence, something will definitely change inside you forever. Period. You go realize AI no be magic. It's just basically engineering. Before you know it, your fear go disappear. Because they say, builders know the fear machine. I know the ones where they fear. So more talk as it take affect your destiny. You know, say global power no be oil again like before. No be gold, no be land. Now, may we talk about how it affect your destiny. Next global power no be oil, no be land, no be gold. Now, actually intelligence infrastructure. You get one program where I go over the weekend. Now, one of the things where I tell them be this. Intelligence infrastructure. Who build AI tools for African language, African education, African healthcare, African law, African finance? Now the person go control the next $1 trillion future. I dey tell you. And the question I say, why the person no fit be you? So we don't reach end of part 3, and the truth be say this journey just actually starts. Because the next level part building small LLM. The next level now, write them in the comment if you can guess what it is. Bye.